Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, Today I'm gonna do some video about things I got from Hong Kong. It's like an unboxing and product review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Right now I don't have any makeup on, just took a shower and my hair is also new. I'll probably do some editing later. Alright, first thing that I got is from Hong Kong. This is a brand called RMK. I think it's like a Korean or probably Japanese brand. And I got a base and a foundation. I haven't used this since I got it in January, so I hope the color can still match my skin. First, I'm gonna use this makeup base by Art and Cake. I really need to do my nail. So it looks like this. This little tiny bottle. I also have, this is like a smaller version that given to me as it's Chinese. It's like a gift. I really like shopping in Hong Kong because before I use this base, I need to put some product on and to keep my skin moisturized.
Hey boy, what you say, boy? You tryna play coy like a game boy? Hit my phone, boy. Is your homeboy? Are you alone, boy? Come get me dome, boy. Got a boy with degrees, a boy in the streets, a boy on his knees, he a man in the sheets. Sheesh, it's all Greek to me. Got this boy speaking Spanish. Ay, papi. Baby, I don't need you. I just wanna freak you. I heard you a freak too. What's 2 plus 2? 4, 3, 2, make a girl go crazy. 3, 2, make a girl go crazy. I like big boys, itty bitty boys, Mississippi boys, inner city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry. I like a big beard, I like a clean face. I don't discriminate, come and get a taste. From the playboys to the gay boys. Go and slay boys, you my fave boys. Baby, I don't need you. I don't need. I just wanna freak you. I want it. I heard you a freak too. That's right. What's 2 plus 2? 4, 3, 2. you say, boy? You tryna play coy like a game boy? Hit my phone, boy. Is your homeboy? Are you alone, boy? Come get me dome, boy. Got a boy with degrees, a boy in the streets, a boy on his knees, he a man in the sheets. Sheesh, it's all Greek to me. Got this boy speaking Spanish. Ay, papi. Baby, I don't need you. I just wanna freak you. I heard you a freak too. What's 2 plus 2? 4, 3, 2. Make a girl go crazy. 3, 2. Make a girl go crazy. I like big boys, itty bitty boys, Mississippi boys, and the city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry. I like a big beard, I like a clean face. I don't discriminate, come and get a taste. From the playboys to the gay boys. Go and slay boys, you my fave boys. Baby, I don't need you. I don't need. I just wanna freak you. I want it. I heard you a freak too. That's right. What's 2 plus 2? 4, 3, 2.
If you like it, please give a thumbs up. It's really simple. I have barely used like 5-10 minutes to do this makeup, and that's how I look every day going to work. Pretty much is some finish look.